In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Jotform to your GoDaddy website seamlessly. Whether you're setting up a contact form or any other form, this process will make integrating Jotform into GoDaddy a breeze. First, let's start by opening your form in Jotform. Once you've got your form ready to go, navigate over to the Publish tab. It's at the top of the page and gives you all the options for sharing your form. Within Publish, you'll want to click on Embed. Here's where you'll find various options for embedding your form. But for our purposes today, we're focusing on the iframe method. Click on iframe and then simply copy that code. This code is what will allow your form to appear correctly on your website. Now that you have your embed code ready, let's move on to GoDaddy. Head over to GoDaddy's website and log in. Once you're in, you'll be welcomed by the dashboard. This is your main hub where all of your website management tools are located. Here you'll notice options such as posts, pages, appearance, and plugins. But today, our focus will be on the pages section. So let's go ahead and open up Pages. Within Pages, you'll want to click on All Pages. Here, you'll see a list of all the pages that currently exist on your website. Choose the page where you'd like your Jotform to appear. A common choice might be the contact page, but really, you can select any page that suits your needs. Once you've made your choice, click on Edit. This action will take you to the Page Editor section. Now you'll be entering the Gutenberg editor, which is GoDaddy's tool for editing web pages. To insert your Jotform, you'll first need to add a block. You can do this by clicking on the plus icon, which indicates the opportunity to add block. A menu will pop up showing various types of blocks you can add, like paragraphs, images, buttons, and importantly for us, custom HTML. Select the Custom HTML block from this menu. This block allows you to directly add HTML code onto your page, which will enable the Jotform integration. With your block in place, it's time to go back to Jotform. Remember the embed code you copied earlier? Now is the moment to paste it into the custom HTML box. Once you've pasted the code, the magic begins as your Jotform integrates directly into your GoDaddy page. With these steps complete, your Jotform should now be embedded on your GoDaddy website. Double check to ensure everything looks just as you'd expect on the front end, and voila! You've successfully added a Jotform into GoDaddy, enhancing the functionality of your website with an interactive form. If any issues arise, remember you can revisit these steps or consult GoDaddy's support for further assistance.